Man creates absolutely massive bubbles on the beach. It's pretty incredible the bubbles still don't burst at such a large size. Here are some images from January earlier this year when it was much colder. And you can see that the ice crystals are forming almost immediately. This is 8 below zero as opposed to today where it's 5 above zero. So it's a 13-degree difference. And again, you can see how the ice crystals form almost immediately, much faster. You can see the same cup of the cradle from the cup. And you can also see, it's kind of interesting, there's sort of a contrast between the crystals forming within the soap bubble and the ones that form up from the base. So there's kind of a trade-off between which ones form first. Do they form from the top of the side, within the top of the soap bubble, in which case you get these kind of round hexagonal, snowflake crystals, or do you get these ferns that grow up from the base? But in all cases, you can see how I inflate the soap bubble with the straw and then lift the straw up from the base while the soap bubble is being inflated. So that's just to give you a sense of what's possible there.
Let me get my...
Ted, you're like Dr. Bubbles.
We got the soap pump here, connecting to the bubble machine. The key component is the fan unit. Screen. This is the reticulated foam held in place by a wire mesh.
Yes, yes, that's right. Pretty good, eh? That looks pretty good.
Thermactive Systems Corporation was established in 1980 by Richard Nelson to develop and ultimately commercialize technological advances in glazing systems. This prototype greenhouse was constructed in 1982 to demonstrate the practicality and viability of two closely related features. Normally it takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes for the cavity to fill completely with foam. The foam is created and destroyed when required in a recirculating flow path within the glazing system.
Now this is the beginning, and it's a lot fuller than it was.
100% full now.
It's that way. Already we can see the extrusion cam. We're going to see it better in a second when it gets into this open area. We've taken the bottom off, and here is our foam. Too bad it's not a sunny day today. There it goes. That's how quickly it runs. Here we go. The foam is back and moving towards the bubble generator. And there we have it, being recycled.
The thermocouple, which is in the wall, to measure the foam temperature within the wall. We have here the sensor for brightness and temperature at the wall, at the west wall. Peter.
Now that's the master one, the one we program. And then you have the slaves inside.
Right.
When we close the door?
No.
Come, Leona, we have to close the door.
No.
Come. Wait a second.
I want this is golden brown.
I thought they were like dangerous bubbles. No, I'm gonna. Ow! Is this just for entertainment or can I use this thing? I thought so, but it isn't.
Oh, we have bubbles.
Ow!
More and better food.
These bubbles smell good. They smell, they smell like, yeah, cherry soda. Will you take a picture of me, please? Well, that's like bubbles. Oh no, it's like a fly of bubbles. I'm touching air, Mom.
I did not want to walk.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, that makes a lot.
I almost couldn't promote myself.
Yeah, no, it's gravel under there.
Yeah, I could. Let's get comfy. Now get off me, Bubba. Oh, wait.
Down, it'll cover you up. No, just sit down and let it cover you up.
Hey, would you get my seat down? I don't want to get my seat wet.
Noah, you're getting a car wash.
Oh, yeah. So this is what it feels like to be a car. Cool. Yay!
That's funny.
Wow. It is generally got the sun doing that. Love the burlap underneath my hand.
Well, cool. Where from I walk in the mountains? Oh. It's not too wet. My walk won't get that wet. Aiden, this is seriously one of the funniest things I've ever done.
Are you into bubbles?
Kind of. Not really, but thank you. I rubbed on my hat. Wow.
Actually, this is great, Richard. You look like you're immersed in them. Just stick your head up a little bit. Why not? Oh,
How about this?
good.
Oh no!
Do that again. That's hilarious.
Will you take a picture, please? Well, let me take a picture before I drown. Well, don't inhale.
Don't inhale.
Oh, God, on it.
The bubbles are being formed. We're cycling bubbles.
Be careful. You need oxygen.